Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Intro College. This is Jyoti Singh, Class 9. Today we will discuss about the next type of plant tissue, which is permanent tissue. So today we will do the types of permanent tissue. In your previous lecture you have learned about the permanent tissue. Now today we will do the types of permanent tissue. There are two types of permanent tissues. First is the simple and second is the complex. One by one we will see in details.
Let's see the second type of permanent tissue. The first type was simple permanent tissue, and today we will see the complex permanent tissue. We can divide complex permanent tissue into two types. One is the phloem, second is the xylem. First we will see this phloem, and this we will learn with a very interesting way with this a short story. One day Rahul asked his mother, when we are hungry and thirsty we eat food and drink water. So how do plants eat and drink? So her mother explained, in plants there are special tissues called xylem and phloem which help in food and water transportation to each part. Let's see the xylem. Xylem transports water and minerals and phloem transports food. So these are the two types which we are seeing, that the xylem and the phloem are the types of complex permanent tissue. And what is the function of xylem? Xylem transports water and minerals, and phloem transports food, which you can see, children, in the first picture. Xylem is, with the help of this xylem tissue, lots of water molecules are moving upwards, and in the second picture, with the help of this phloem tissue, the transport of food is taking place. So these are the two transporting system or transporting tissues which are found in the plants. So xylem is for the transport of water and minerals, and while phloem is for the transport of food. Let's learn about the phloem in details. Here you can see it is a picture of one plant. So here it helps in the conduction of food in plants. As you know that the phloem helps in the conduction of food in plants. It is also called as bast or leptome. Here you can see the photosynthetic products is phloem. The photosynthesis products is phloem. Here you can see with the orange is written here, and at the bottom you can see water and the minerals. They are moving upwards. In the blue color, they are moving with the help of xylem tissue, whereas photosynthetic products are moving upwards in the different parts of the plant with the help of a phloem tissue. Now phloem has four different types of cells. These four types of cells are sieve elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and last is phloem fibers. Let's see one by one different parts of the phloem. One is the sieve element. The first one you can see in the picture. They have cavities, right? And they are made up of cellulose. That means its wall is made up of cellulose, and there are lots of pores are present. That pores are called sieve pores, or we can say pit, or you can say sieve plates. So sieve elements have a cavity, cellulosic wall, sieve pores and sieve plate. It is just like a sieving plates of your kitchen. Your mother is, with the help of sieve plate, she separates the flour. Now And in the next picture, you can see that with the help of xylem tissue, water is moving from the xylem tissue to the phloem tissue, because phloem is for the conduction of food and it also needs water. So water is coming from the xylem tissue.